Today, we'll walk through the interactive touch settings and learn how to create interactive content in SmartScheduler. Interactive touch features are available in both playback modes. Regardless of the playback mode you choose, the interactive touch settings can be found in the same location. As this feature is exclusive to touch-enabled models, the settings panel is minimized by default. Click the icon to reveal the complete configuration options. Interactive Touch supports multiple content formats, including images and videos, URLs, HTML5 content, and exe applications. Images and videos are managed under the same icon. Simply click the icon to open the selection window and add your image and video content. You can drag and drop the content to change the playback order. You can also click an item to preview it. To add a website, simply paste the URL link. Click this icon to preview the web page. When using HTML5 content, ensure that the startup file is named indexed.html and is included in the HTML5 folder before importing it. This setting controls how many seconds the countdown will display before returning to normal playback. The default value is 3 seconds. Back button position determines where the countdown button is displayed on the screen. The default position is the upper left corner. The multimedia section is used to set up your normal playback content, which will play in a continuous loop. Let's start with this image only. When there is no touch interaction, the screen will continue displaying this image. Once the screen is touched, it will launch the Lucky Draw HTML content we configured in the Interactive Touch section. This is a great example for events that require a Lucky Draw feature, but don't need it running all the time. When it's needed, simply touch the screen to activate the Lucky Draw function. Once there is no touch activity, the system will automatically return to the normal looping playback content. Next, we'll add additional multimedia content and demonstrate how the URL feature works. I've also added a news ticker to the regular playback content. When the screen is touched, the interactive content is launched. A simple call to action like "Need more information? Touch me" can encourage customers to interact with the display and explore additional information through the website. After customers get the information they need, they typically leave without closing the interactive content. That's why SmartScheduler automatically returns to the regular playback loop, delivering a smarter and more efficient digital signage experience, all while operating offline with no monthly subscription fees. Finally, we'll demonstrate image interaction functionality using a touch menu board as an example. Here's a real-world e-menu board application running on a 55-inch touch digital signage display. Customers can easily swipe left or right to browse menu categories and explore products interactively. Many customers tell us they're hesitant to use touchscreens because they worry that visitors might access windows, modify content, or accidentally change settings. That's exactly why we developed Playback Protection. To enable Playback Protection, go to Remote Management and open the Passcode Settings page. Simply set up a passcode and enable the feature. After Playback Protection is enabled, a passcode is required whenever someone tries to exit playback mode. Without the correct passcode, they cannot leave playback mode or exit SmartScheduler. If an incorrect passcode is entered, the system will automatically return to playback mode after 3 seconds. With interactive touch and playback protection, you can create engaging touchscreen experiences while keeping your content secure. Thank you for watching.